Welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can add a new user to Moodle LMS. So let's get started. So all you need to do is sign in as an admin and just click on this edit option, edit mode, enable this, then make sure you go to site administration, you go to users, here click on add a new user, and here you can just give some username. So I'll just name it as somebody. Okay, and here you can set the password as well. You can force password change for the user as well once they sign in, but yeah, I'll just keep it as it is for now, just for simplicity sake, because the user can change their password whenever they feel like. And here again I'll just keep this simple. So yeah, you just have to enter all these details, and yeah, that's it. If you want to change all the other details you can do that as well, but I'll keep it as it is and click on create user. Okay, so here you can see the user has been created. Now they can just log in and you can share them their password. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.